बनरा छाई जही प्रथम प्रेम चैती छुई मो भोली बिनाई। This is the coffee garden in Daringbadi. Daringbadi has coffee and spices plantations all the way up to the hill station. I'm holding a raw pepper seed, then black pepper which you use in your tea, in your favorite drink or in your favorite food is made. This whole place is planted with coffee plants and pepper plants. The raw coffee is sent to OUAT in Bhubaneswar, then it is processed there.
Strange but true, my midnight is lost. It's darkening, moonlight has lost its sprinkling sparrow. The winter has come with a tremendous diminishing temperature of 0.
So now I am at the Hill View point of Daringbadi, or you can also say they also call it Hill View Park of Daringbadi. So let's get inside. Beautiful place, Odisha. That behind me is the watchtower from where you can see the hilltop. This place is surrounded by beautiful floras and faunas. How are you feeling this cold winter and chilled Daringbadi morning?
This is a general phenomena of Daringbadi.
So how has been the development of Daringbadi so far? You have seen Daringbadi from 1980s and it's 2020 now.
Yeah, there was nothing before to, even if to sit for an hour, there was no amenities available at that time. After 2015, one collector was there, Dr. Tirumala Naik. He has done a lot for the development of Daringbadi, particularly in tourist aspect.
If someone comes to Daringbadi, what all Daringbadi offers to the tourists?
The natural side of Daringbadi, particular hills, forests, people, culture, these are the most important part of Daringbadi. Particularly, you see, it is a non-polluting area.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving your time to Orissa Post Live. Amazing, amazing, super amazing.
Strange but true, my midnight is lost. It's darkening, moonlight has lost its sprinkling sparrow. The winter has come with a tremendous diminishing temperature of 0.
So near the nature camp, we found this cottages, the resorts. These cottages and resorts are made up here by the Forest Department of Daringbadi. You can come here and have a peaceful stay here. So we have come all the way to this village named Pudra Jhala from Daringbadi to try Mandia Laddu, or you can say Ragi Laddu. She has taken this desi ghee, cashew nuts, mandia or ragi, jaggery, coconut and some other seeds as well. Let's get started. So the mandia mixture is now ready. We'll dig in our hands inside and make small balls. This has very sweet texture, but the jaggery which is added gives it a different taste. Coconut that is added adds a little bit more crunchiness to the laddu, but very yummy.
I like to swim in the fogs. I love to run on the ocean's floor. But why? My roots are closed with cloudy smokes. My wooden boat is not enough to handle the naughty waves. My temperament becomes slow and slow.
So I'm trying this mandia soup or ragi soup. It's a very authentic way of trying and very traditional way of trying soup, which I have never tried before. Vegetable clear soup with added mandia or with added ragi, which is actually awesome. I like the taste. One of the most heavy tasks while you are in a hill station is to climb the hill. Lovers Point, which is a very popular place in Daringbadi. I'm sitting here like this. So it is actually said that in 2006 when Puri Gajapati Maharaj came here with his family, he liked the place so much, he stayed here for a night in a camp with his family and he fell in love with this place. This place is actually known as Nature's Lover Point, but the youngsters have made it Lover's Point. Daringbadi, you beauty, I love you. So if you're planning to come to Daringbadi, these are the places that I've shown you. Do not forget to like the video, share the video and plan your trip real soon. Until next time, this is Lopita signing off. Stay safe, stay happy.